Welcome to our demo on the latest features of Project XC3. Witness the tool in action and experience its benefits. Let's quickly walk through the updated XC3 installation process. Clone the XC3 GitHub repository. Update the required variables in the variable file. After successfully applying the Terraform configuration, CodePipeline is operational on the AWS console. The initialization stage will set up all the dependencies. Next, the planning stage will verify all the configurations. Next, the testing stage will validate the source repository URL. Once all stages have been completed, manual approval is required before applying the configuration. Another noteworthy pipeline feature is that you can dismantle the entire infrastructure with manual approval. CodePipeline simplifies the deployment process for XC3 developers by automating tasks, minimizing errors, and enabling developers to concentrate on coding, ensuring a fast and dependable deployment experience. Let's discover the intriguing project cost breakdown feature on the Grafana dashboard. For enhanced user control, we've introduced a feature allowing you to select an account and choose a specific project from the list. This enables you to view the project cost on a dedicated project cost panel. To delve deeper into the costs associated with the services within the project, simply click on the project's cost and navigate to the service cost dashboard. Here, you can identify the cost of each service. Click on a specific service to explore detailed costs and pinpoint the areas where optimization is needed. This added functionality empowers users to make informed decisions and manage their cloud expenses more effectively. We trust you found this session informative and valuable in comprehending the significance of XC3. Thank you.